Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best spin mops that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SMIN stainless steel spin mop bucket system with 6 microfiber replacement refills head. Coming up with ultra-absorbent microfiber heads, SMIN spin mop will give you a stress-free cleaning process. It is included with a bucket with strong spin ringing performance, so the mop head rings drier to save you more effort. Unlike other baskets, this spin mop bucket is made of durable PP and 304 stainless steel and will serve you for a long time. Moreover, the mop system has 2 wheels and 1 pull handle for easy mobility. This spin mop system comes with additional 6 microfiber spin mop heads that have great absorbent ability, and you can use them to clean glass, tile, hardwood, laminate, and more. Moving on at number 4, we have the Twist and Shout Mop Hand Push Spin Mop, 2 microfiber included. Extremely durable and high-performing, Twist and Shout Spin Mop are one of the highest-rated products you can find in the market. It comes with a sturdy yet lightweight bucket that is very easy to fill and dump water. Subsequently, its self-wringing mop allows your hands to stay dry without bending. Thus, you can easily clean your floor without much stress. The microfiber head rotates 360 degrees and joint pivots 180 degrees to clean under furniture and other hard-to-reach areas. The included super absorbent microfiber heads cleans 3x better than cotton, leaving no streaks and dries floor instantly. Besides that, the microfiber heads are machine washable and can last for 6 to 12 months, thus saving you much money. At number 3, we have the HAPINNEX Spin Mop Wet, Dry Usage Wringer Bucket Set. If you are searching for the best spin mop bucket set to do your floor cleaning, this one from HAPINNEX is perfect for you. It is going to clean your house faster, and you will never put excessively effort to put water out of the mop. This is because it has an easy press system that enables you to spin excess water. Moreover, its encapsulated wringer basket will prevent the water from splashing out and will only drain water into the bucket. The spin mop rotates up to 180 to the power of 0 and swivel 360 degrees with flexibility. It allows you to clean under the furniture and along baseboards as well as hard-to-reach areas. Also, it is included with an additional 2 absorbent refills that clean 3x better than cotton and dries faster. At number 2, we have the Hurricane Home Cleaning System Spin Mop Floor Mop. The Hurricane Home Cleaning System is particularly interesting as it provides several unique things. First, it has an innovative 360-degree rotating head that can clean all types of floor surfaces that you require to clean and polish. Unlike other buckets with wringer, this wet mop bucket is made with centrifugal spinning technology, making it clean the mop head easily. Its pivoted mop head can easily slide under tight furniture gaps for easy cleaning. Ideally, this floor mop is lightweight, only weighing less than 2 pounds for easy maneuverability. Furthermore, the microfiber head will suck up all the excess water and then spin it on the bucket. To conclude, the microfiber duster heads are super soft and can clean all types of floors. And finally at number 1, we have the Aootek Stainless Steel Bucket Floor Cleaning System and Deluxe 360 Spin Mop. With this Autec floor cleaning system, you are assured comfortable house cleaning, thanks to its outstanding ability to absorb and remove dirt from the floor. Hence you will never get tired of cleaning your house. The dry basket is made of stainless steel, unlike other models that are made of aluminum and plastic. Also, the handle is made of stainless steel for robustness. The cleaning system comes with 3 super microfiber mop head that dries the floor instantly and does not leave any streaks. The dual spout bucket has a patented centrifugal spinning design and will clean and dry the mop head quickly without your hands getting dirty. Besides that, the microfiber mop head does not cause damage, spill, or shock the floors. The mop head is machine washable. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.